I just wanted to show you this spice that Spice Profile sent to me. This is organic ground ginger root. I'm pretty excited to try this. So let's open it and take a look at it. This is a 4-ounce package and it's very full. What amazes me about these spices is how fragrant they are. This has just a wonderful aroma. I'm really excited to use this. I love putting ginger on my carrots, all kinds of things. But anyway, you can see what a nice color it is, and I wish you could smell it. It's really fragrant. So anyway, I hope that helps.